Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a subdomain for Switchy. To create the subdomain, I will use Cloudflare. You can use any DNS provider. In my case, I will use Cloudflare, and the process is almost same for every DNS provider. For Cloudflare, at first log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select your website. From here, click on DNS. After that, click on Add Record. Here, select CNAME. And suppose I want to create the subdomain like this. See, this is my subdomain. My subdomain will be like this. That means I want to add this social word. So just copy this word that you want to add and paste it here. So your domain will be social.passivern.com. In your case, you can do anything. You can add anything you want here. After that, you have to target the URL on which URL you want to redirect this subdomain. If you want to create this subdomain for Switchy, then you have to type here links.switchy.io and after that disable this proxy status option. That means there must be DNS only. After that, click on save. So guys, your subdomain has been created, but now for pagination process, you have to wait at least 24 to 48 hours according to the instruction. But I think the process will be more fast. So after some time, just go to your Switchy account. From here, go to your settings and here add your subdomain. Suppose I will add social.passivern.com. After that, click on add. So guys, as you can see from here, this domain has been added. In this way, you can add subdomain on your Switchy dashboard. So guys, this is the process. If you haven't buy Switchy, it's an amazing tool. It is running its lifetime deal on AppSumo. If you haven't purchased it yet, I will recommend you to purchase it. It's an amazing tool for your online business. If you do not purchase it right now, you will regret it later. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and visit our website www.passivern.com and join on our lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. I will give the link of Switchy and link of this group in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get Switchy lifetime deal and join on this group. Thank you so much for watching this video again.